Ki samla puli na nongba shilong ne kasngi kala penlong da kijingi ki ka bajar jar hadon Bosco Square halor kijing ngap menti jok sorkar pedeng habai dei kijing lai tu jok kijing kli jong ka examin NEET bat kumju ro ban ai kijing Kristan ne kijing sha tngan jong usanam wangchuk ha Jantar Mantar Delhi ha kene kasngi samla puli kala ra da ki plakat harangkat kijing to ki bakentup all is not well, students died because the system failed them. We stand with the youth at Jantar Mantar. Habakren hagni kisngi samla puli kilong bak jingwan shimbenta jongki hagni kijingi ki kabajar jar kadai banai jingkershan ya usonam wangchuk ubalai ki Jantar Mantar hagaba hadu menta empat don ke kabak sorkar kankren halor kani pause kilara no dakabor penban yu nakni kejaka kaba usong manyaki.
We want to stand together with our state to protest against the education system of our country and also for the state of Meghalaya. As we know that Meghalaya was previously known as for the toppest education system, but now as we see it is going down. It is more worse than Bihar. So we really support Sonam and we want the safety of Sir Sonam and also the safety of those people who are there present in Jantar Mantar. So this is my regards. So I wish success. We will success in whatever we are taking actions. Thank you.
So in future, do you also plan to go to Jantar Mantar and protest?
Yeah, if I get opportunity, surely I will go to support the team.
Then how do you see that? We have seen that the protest in Jantar Mantar has been going on for 20 days, but the government has not given.
Yeah, no, government have not supporting. Instead of supporting, they are taking some other actions against the team, against the party, against the people standing there asking for the demand for education system to improve. Instead of supporting, they are taking action against them. So we are really against for the system that we have in our country.
We are here to stand in solidarity with the hunger strike that Mr. Sonam Wangchuk he carried out for more than 20 plus days, and the kind of treatment that he got from the authorities or the government, and we definitely do not support that. But at the same time, we pray and we hope that he comes back to his better shape, because the country needs him and the country needs people like him. And we really hope that something gets sorted out between the government and the respective parties, and of course there should be a clarity to the citizens of India, because we have not heard from the government, right? We haven't heard a single statement or a single press release from the government yet. So we just hope that we get some clarity, because 20 plus days is too much, and for a person to go on hunger strike, and not only him, there were three other students who were also on hunger strike. Just got the news that they broke the hunger strike, and I pray for their well-being, and I hope that they continue this journey and to make this country a better place to live in.
For the same reason, to support the students who have raised concerns about the education system and in solidarity with the students, and the hunger strikers in Delhi, the protests in Jantar Mantar, as well as protests across the country for accountability from the government regarding lapses in the education exam systems and many other issues. But it also opens up the possibility to address the education as an issue, opens the possibility to address issues about democracy, issues about corruption, issues on sort of minority rights, and many other things. So it's a very central issue, and it is something that cuts across all kinds of divisions in society. It's something important to everyone.
Along ban Kristianya Sonam Sar badan mentah dengan hunger strike bala arpos hitam saya kala bala kada dengan si bar kalong ban supaya Sonam Sar ba abangi baga sarkar kalian tima kamwan saya ka kino kita ki politician kita ki badan habar lane kita ki representative ni mi imo tim ese kim kwa ban dialogue re ki simule jubor justice ban ra kumbang ni ya kan news ni ra jubor ni sa sanam sa apa hospital da mentah siro dari pangila le jisha di bendek sa jantar mentar tambah nimlak kot bor mo ngi de nang kena kule bat ni anilong unemployed da ni si don ba organize kan program hne te ni wan hne ban pani kata jing kersan lam cha de cha jingile sti ko deri chalo see you match chalo re India hai kumbang itip ka Democratic Republic ma pangyong ro ba ka de ka mother of all democracy matrai kane kam long legal chalo kane ka long sha ya ke ba ngi hi i honda jongi ki lai le namta jing lu hari manta pada hari jong reng ngilong yang sasisin kung tagi marau ada ngi sha mne kalong kumba ngi kai bang government ngin sha trip kumne nginam tolerate kumne ada ngi sha ki haki exam barang wan se kumanga kum perlok jonga se ki kwa ki government exam makne kumtai ngin kwa balong kumta idon khna gi bala tristom ngatrai idon hokun kayo tau so ngi jok
See, we have come here as a Congress leader to support the students who gathered here to protest and to demand the Central Education Minister to take the responsibility and to resign immediately from his post because of the fatigue of the need. This has distressed the parents who have spent so much for the preparation of the students, and especially the students who had already prepared. They have lost their hope with this present government. So, as a Congress leader, we are here to support, and as a responsible citizen of the state, we will support them, and anytime we need our help, we are with them for their future and for the confidence that they have lost, and we are here to help to retain and to bring back the confidence for this present government and for the nation as a whole.